Hello, we're here in a new video. Now we're going to play this game named Ragdoll Engine in a game called Retro Studio. And this is my avatar. Yeah. Well, it's like a ragdoll. It's a ragdoll. You can jump. And now the gravity, no gravity zone. No, how am I going to? Wow. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. No. Yes. No. Okay. I need to wait until they got there. I exited, yeah. No, this is no gravity, but with walls they push us like this. And here are the mines. They not happen nothing, but they don't happen nothing but ow, 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 ow. Like that. Well, this is not my avatar. My avatar that you see is some videos from shorts, but I recreate that avatar in this game. Well, let's go. I am in the building now. I don't want to fall, I don't want to fall, I don't want to fall. Okay, I don't fall. We're here. And here's Maxwell. I've got to sit. Oh, I want to sit. Ow. Well, let's jump. Boom. And I can spawn the buildings and stairs. Building. Waiting on work. Well. That's kind of funny. Yeah, boom. Let's try something different. Here. Boom. Wow. Now let's the ultimate thing. Lastest thing. Sorry. Wait.